The Tesla Light Show is a software feature that allows your Tesla vehicle to perform choreographed light displays using its exterior LED lights. It transforms your car into a customizable light show, perfect for the holidays or special events, using exterior LED lights like headlights, taillights, and ambient lights. This feature is available on all Tesla models except the Model 3 Standard Range Plus, which was discontinued in 2024. As of the latest update version 12.5.2, real-time AI customization is enabled, allowing for light animation generation via voice commands through the infotainment system or Tesla app. To download light show themes, start by accessing the Tesla app on your phone or visiting the Tesla website on your computer. Once in the app or website, browse the available pre-made themes. Popular options include Snowflake Dance, Festive Glow, and Jingle Bells, among many others. Make sure your Tesla is connected to a stable internet connection, as the themes are downloaded and stored in the vehicle's cloud-linked system. Note that the Core Light Show app is typically available for download only during November and December to align with the holiday season. Use your Tesla's touchscreen or the Tesla app to customize your light show. Parameters you can adjust include color schemes, speed, intensity, and animation patterns. Color schemes utilize RGB color mixing for over 16 million hues. Consider timing synchronization to create seamless loops, for example, every 30 seconds. The latest update has introduced the ability to generate custom light shows using voice commands via the infotainment system or Tesla app, creating a unique custom show. To run your Tesla light show, activate it through the Tesla app or directly from your car's interface. The show begins automatically when your vehicle is parked, giving you hands-free operation. You also have manual controls for starting and stopping the display as needed. The Tesla app provides a convenient way to start the light show remotely. Simply open the app, navigate to the light show section, and tap to activate. Your Tesla's center screen offers the same controls when you're near the vehicle. Once activated, the light show runs automatically while parked. The system detects when the car is stationary and begins the animation sequence. For manual control, you can start or stop the show at any time using either interface. Behind the scenes, Tesla's API communicates with the vehicle's systems to orchestrate the light patterns. This connects through the CAN bus, a network that controls all vehicle electronics without requiring any hardware modifications. The software handles everything seamlessly. The light show uses your Tesla's existing LED lights, including headlights, taillights, and ambient strips. No additional hardware is needed, making it a pure software feature that enhances your vehicle's holiday spirit. If you encounter issues with Tesla light shows, start by ensuring your vehicle's software is fully up to date through over-the-air updates. To address potential battery drain, activate energy-saving modes that automatically dim the lights when battery levels are low. These energy-saving features have been significantly improved in software versions 12.0 and later. For connectivity issues, make sure you have a stable internet connection when downloading themes or making customizations in the app. Popular themes provide great examples for inspiration. The Jingle Bells show has been downloaded over 2 million times, featuring classic holiday animations that synchronize with music. Community-created content on Tesla's forums offers unique inspiration, like the Aurora Borealis show that mimics northern lights with flowing colors and patterns. Tesla's holiday campaign videos on YouTube showcase creative ideas, demonstrating how light shows can enhance festive displays and community events. Looking ahead, Tesla light shows are set to evolve with exciting new capabilities. By 2026, augmented reality overlays in the app will allow virtual previews before activating shows on your actual vehicle. AI advancements will enable predictive customization, learning from your preferences to suggest and create personalized light patterns automatically. The feature could expand beyond holiday seasons to become year-round entertainment, with customized shows for birthdays, parties, sports events, and other celebrations. These innovations promise to make Tesla light shows even more interactive and personalized, enhancing the vehicle ownership experience. Safety and considerations are crucial when using Tesla's holiday light show feature. Always ensure your vehicle is parked in a safe location before activating any light animations. The feature is designed for parked vehicles only, preventing activation while in motion to ensure driver safety. Tesla's safety systems automatically disable all light show animations as soon as the vehicle begins moving, even at low speeds, to maintain focus on the road. Light shows can create visual distractions for neighbors, pedestrians, or other drivers. Be especially considerate in residential neighborhoods where bright displays might disturb others. Different areas may have rules about outdoor light displays, noise levels, or community guidelines. Always check local ordinances before running extended shows. Light shows can drain your vehicle's battery at 5 to 10% per hour. Tesla includes energy-saving modes that automatically dim lights during low battery states to preserve range. By following these safety guidelines, you can enjoy Tesla's holiday light show responsibly while keeping yourself and others safe.